There's the 1997 Suburban, the 5.7 Vortec in it, TBI. It is currently -25 Fahrenheit. That is about -32 Celsius for you Canadian fellas. We got 193 on the clock. It's been sitting all night, so we'll see how she goes. If I can get it. Just like that, she's alive. She had a little bit of hesitation, but she started up. Get a shout out to Big Moist Sushi and ZR Angus Farms. There are two other YouTube entrepreneurs making their way in northern Minnesota up here, so help them out all you can. Yeah, that's the end of this video.